If you're over 60 and struggle with joint pain or poor sleep, this message is for you. A Japanese longevity doctor recently revealed a powerful night ritual drink that not only helps you fall asleep faster, but also helps your body rebuild collagen and repair joints overnight. It's simple, natural, and takes less than 5 minutes before bed. Let's uncover what this ritual is and why so many seniors in Japan swear by it.
As we age, the body changes in ways most people don't notice. Collagen, the protein that keeps your joints cushioned and flexible, declines rapidly after 50. Growth hormone, the hormone responsible for repair and recovery, also drops sharply. That's why simple movements can suddenly feel stiff, why your knees crack when you stand up, why you wake up feeling tight, sore, or still tired. Most people reach for painkillers, calcium tablets, or topical gels, but these only treat the symptoms on the surface. The real secret lies much deeper. Your body performs nearly 80% of its healing during sleep. So if your sleep is shallow, interrupted, or restless, your body loses its chance to repair tissues, calm inflammation, and rebuild collagen. Poor sleep doesn't just leave you tired, it leaves your joints unhealed.
This is where Dr. Masaru Nakamura, a respected senior health researcher in Tokyo, made a breakthrough observation. He noticed that many of his older patients who followed a traditional nighttime habit, drinking a warm golden collagen broth before bed, experienced two major changes. Their joint stiffness reduced noticeably in the morning. Their sleep cycles became deeper and longer. Curious, he studied the ingredients and discovered something fascinating. This drink gently triggers the body's natural collagen building process, something that becomes harder with age. It also calms stress hormones like cortisol, the same hormones that make your mind race at night and prevent you from falling into restorative sleep. In other words, this nighttime drink doesn't just relax you, it prepares your body biologically for repair mode.
Now, let's walk through the simple recipe so you can make it tonight. To prepare the Golden Collagen Night Drink, start with 1 cup of warm bone broth, chicken or beef, whichever you prefer. Once it's gently steaming, stir in a teaspoon of collagen powder until it dissolves completely. Add a pinch of turmeric, followed by a few drops of lemon juice. If you want extra warmth and anti-inflammatory benefits, you could also add a small slice of fresh ginger and let it steep for a minute. Sip the soothing drink slowly, ideally 20 to 30 minutes before bed. This warm blend provides your body with essential nighttime nutrients, amino acids that help rebuild cartilage, natural anti-inflammatories that ease swollen joints, and gentle heat that calms your nervous system. It's comforting, delicious, and deeply restorative.
So why does this simple bedtime drink work so well? Bone broth contains glycine and proline, 2 amino acids essential for rebuilding connective tissue, ligaments, and joint cartilage. Collagen powder supports this process by giving your body extra raw materials to repair itself. Turmeric helps reduce nighttime inflammation so you don't wake up sore or stiff. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which boosts collagen formation naturally. And finally, the warmth of the drink signals your brain to release melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. Together, these ingredients create a powerful reset effect, helping your body slip into deep rest while supporting healing from the inside out.
So tonight, give your body what it's been missing. Prepare a cup of Dr. Nakamura's Golden Collagen Night Drink. Sit comfortably. Breathe slowly, and let this warm blend guide you into restful sleep. With consistent use, you may start to notice mornings feel lighter, joints feel looser, your sleep feels deeper and more restorative. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, click like.